Okay, so I'm really excited. I've been following this IG page called Official I Am Apparel. It's a real dope Instagram page. Pretty much talks about the history of our people, black and brown, more or less. They got a really positive message, positive vibe, and they got some dope merch. So I decided to cop the merch. The merch had came in before I left to go on this trip to Mexico. But I haven't unboxed it yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing and see exactly what this package come with. To my understanding, it come with a dope shirt, a dope bag, and you can also download an app so that when you scan this shirt, it'll take you directly to their page, and you could get even more information on the shirt that you purchased and the history that the shirt is pretty much promoting. So let's go ahead and get to it and see exactly what they got for me. So you'll pretty much have it coming. This package like this here. Alright, let's go ahead and bring her in. See
Niggas be snotty, they cannot be slum. Sleeping on Primo, don't know it's my time. Sleeping on Primo like Raymond and Thunder King. Got electricity, I feel like a Benjamin. Trying to make a milli for my city while I'm playing with the kitty in the spot. We get litty throwing hundreds, no 50s. Ain't focused on the biddy, I'm focused on the check. Fuck with the rival, we in for your neck. Trying to make a milli, what's the deal? Steak and shrimp, that's the meal. We never really had a damn thing. Blowing up propane, blowing up Cobain, kicking in the boot.
So like I said, this is pretty dope. You guys can see, I went and bought the I Am Malcolm X shirt. Alright, we got to try this bad boy on a little bit. But they have their official logo right there. And then at the bottom of the shirt, it actually has a Q code. So if you download the app and scan that Q code right there, it'll pretty much take you to their Instagram page, or you can look at it in the app and see exactly more of a biography of Malcolm X and what he done for our people and what he represent. If you don't have the app and you scan that Q code with just your phone, it actually take you to their site as well. So that's pretty dope. The bag is dope too. All right, I Am Official Apparel. And then on the back of the bag, they also have their Q codes. So their Q codes for Facebook, for Instagram, for Facebook, for Instagram, and for Twitter. Alright? And this is a pretty dope bag. I'm actually going to be rocking this today out here in Mexico. So if you don't already follow the site, go ahead and check them out. Is that Official I Am Apparel on Instagram. Alright? I'm going to be posting some things on my social media. So you guys can just click the link if you want to check them out. And again, they're on all social media platforms. So if you're not on Instagram, you can check them out on Facebook and Twitter as well. Official I Am Apparel. Real dope. If you want to teach your family about black and brown history, these are the people to go with. You know, if you want to support the cause, definitely purchase their merch. As you guys can see, their merch right now, they have the special offer. It's coming with the bag. It's coming with the t-shirt. And one of those fancy things that all the girls use, which is called like snack pie or whatever. You put it on the back of your phone and take selfies. I don't really use that, but I'm pretty sure I can find somebody that's going to use it. But Official I Am Apparel, support the cause. Definitely a dope movement. And the person who started it is actually a 13-year-old girl, and she got a dope mind. You know what I mean? I'm definitely supporting her movement and her cause and what it is she's doing. We got to support black business. And we definitely got to support our young entrepreneurs out here. So, you know, Official I Am Apparel, to your leader and to your team, y'all keep doing what y'all do. And just know, Full Circle and Muciano, we will support that movement. Gotta get your merch.